Hi guys! Hi everyone! Good afternoon! This is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, another May vlog for today's video at ang ating pag-uusapan ay walang iba kung hindi si Piolo Pascual. Alam naman natin guys na matunog ang pangalan ngayon ni Piolo dahil nga dito sa sinasabi nilang may bagong heartthrob no, sa katauhan ni Iman Pacquiao, yung anak ni Manny Pacquiao na nasa larangan ng boxing. At syempre alam naman natin na yung mga netizen ang galing talaga nilang magkilate. So sabi nga nila, itong si Iman kamukha, merong similarity sila ni Piolo Pascual. Parang kumbaga, yung mukha ni Manny at saka ni Piolo parang pinaghalo. Ang resulta is itong si Iman, no? At sabi nga nila, tall, dark, and handsome kasi matangkad si Iman, gwapo, at saka mabait daw na bata. Tapos sabi nga, nagsalita si Piolo Pascual. Kasi nga maraming mga memes na grabe yung mga links daw na pinapasa kay Piolo. Lahat na lang daw, parang sabi nga ni Piolo na puno na daw siya ng mga links nitong kay Iman. So nag-meet sila. At ito yung sinabi ni Piolo Pascual. Let's watch this.
Really? Yeah, he visited me yesterday. We had an interview together. Yeah, actually my feed is full of Eman Pacquiao's mga puro links and everything. Finally, I got to meet the boy yesterday, and I would say, he was raised well, very humble, very God-fearing, and yeah, I think he'll go places. He'll definitely go places. You know, it's a compliment. You know, compared to say that magkamukha kami, but definitely, he's a good kid. I'm happy. There's someone like him in that field, which is boxing.
Yeah.
And I gave him advice, to just really reach for his dreams. He's gonna go to college after his last year in high school, so there's a lot of dreams and hopes. But yeah, I'm just happy that he's a very God-fearing kid.
Likot ng utak ng mga netizens, no?
Grabe, diba?
Tuloy-tuloy at sana maabot niya yung kanyang mga dreams na magiging boxing hero kagaya ng kanyang ama. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye. God bless everyone.